Hi guys. So Hobby Lobby has really been stepping up on their yarn collection. So last 2 weeks, I believe it's last 2 weeks, they released a new color. It's like lilac. Then this week again, I'm seeing that they released like variegated yarn, like the ones you get on Michaels and Joanne, and they released three new colors. I am off to my Hobby Lobby to see what they have in the store and see what it looks like and see if it is something I can try or not, and also show you guys if there are other new colors that they have than what they're actually showing us. I know they discontinued I think it's magenta that they discontinued and probably another color, but let's go to Hobby Lobby and see what they have. So come along, come on. They are not playing. Summer just can't. We just like it is barely just summer. Oh my god. Good afternoon. Let's see. Okay, I'm at the yarn section. Ooh, kind of have a feeling they don't have it in the store. No, they do not have any of the new colors. Oh no, that's a bummer. That's a bummer. They do not have the new colors in store. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna go ask them. Oh, there's another section. Let me go check the side. Okay, so this is another section. No, they don't have it. Hmm. Yeah, these are the other ones they just released. Like Hobby Lobby really has really great color selection, but mostly solid colors right now. Uh, yeah, they're mostly solid, and they are really not playing with their fall decorations. They are not playing. Okay, I'm going to ask and see. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. The new colors of yarn, you guys don't have it in store yet.
I'm sorry?
The Eternal Bliss yarn, the new colors that just came out.
Oh, no, we haven't gotten any new ones yet.
So it's just online.
Right. Yeah, we
How-
will get them eventually, but so far they haven't even sent us like the way to reconfigure the shelves yet.
Oh, wonderful. Do you have any idea how many colors you guys added?
I actually don't know. I didn't even know that there were new
Oh,
ones yet.
there was new one. I think last 2 weeks there was orchid. It's like lilac. Then this week there are three new colors, like the variegated yarns.
Oh, really?
Three new ones that just dropped this week.
Okay, so that's news to me.
Okay, all right.
So I mean, ideally soon,
Mm,
but I just couldn't tell you how soon.
how soon?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Maybe next 2 weeks.
Possibly.
Okay, let me grab the colors that I need then. They don't have it in the store yet, so maybe just online, just maybe online. So let's grab the colors that we need for our yarn project and go home. Oh well, they they didn't have the new colors in the store. So that's a little bit of a bummer. Just a little bummer. They didn't have it. So it's available online. I'll be putting pictures of it. If you haven't seen it, you can check it out on their website. I did, however, how much did we spend today? About 70 something dollars. I bought a dozen of yarn, but just in three colors. I got the black, I got ivory, and truffle. Those are the three colors that I got. I'll be using three of them to make a blanket, and the total was $73.62. Yes. Though I may not be using the whole 12 that I got, but the last blanket that I made, I'm making the exact blanket again. I used about 11 to make that one, so I still have some leftovers. But me personally, I love to have excess than not enough, so that's why I bought a whole dozen, so that I don't have issues running out of yarn or anything like that. But that's the order, that's the shopping for today. And I'll see you guys next time. Let me know, have you seen the new colors that Hobby Lobby dropped? Have you seen it online? Is it available in your store? Maybe I can come to your store to shop for it. But until next time, bye, take care.